Hello everyone, welcome all of you. Welcome to KSA online classes. Today we will learn social science subject for class 7th to 10th standard. In this video we will study about the topic. The topic name is our nation India, and subtopic for our study is foods, clothes in different regions of India. I repeat, my subtopic name is foods, clothes in different regions of India. So first of all, we have to focus on foods. People living in different regions of India have different tastes. Let us discuss some of the foods available in different regions of India, such as North India, South India, West India and East India. North India. In North India, people prefer to eat foods like chole bhature, kachori, rice and vegetables such as cabbage, cauliflower, paneer, peas, etc. Wheat is a staple food of North India. Next is South India. In South India, people prefer to have light and low calorie food. Rice is the staple food of South India. Dosa, vada, idli, uttappam, etc. are some common food people prefer to eat. Next part is West India. In western states of India like Gujarat and Rajasthan, people love to have spicy and mainly vegetarian food. Food items like poha, khandvi, dal dhokli, pav bhaji and shrikhand are preferred in West India. Next part is East India. In eastern states of India like Sikkim, people love to have momos, fish curry and salads. People in eastern states prefer both vegetarian as well as non-vegetarian food. So in this way we will learn about foods. Next point is clothes. We have to focus on our popular dresses of men and women. That clothes we wear, popular dresses of men and women denoted here. In this picture, we will see the pictures of Koli, Kathewari, Gujarati, Madrasi peoples, etc. See the picture properly. This picture denote we have to wear different dresses, clothes. So the first point is clothes we wear. India is a large and diverse country. Our dress style depends on the climate of our region, and this variety is depend on specific regions, state, climate and culture. That is very significant. Next point is women's. Women generally wear colorful dresses. Sari is most popular. Style of wearing differs from state to state. Salwar, kameez and dupatta in Punjab, ghagra, kurta and odhani in Haryana. Lehenga, choli in Gujarat. Ghagra, kachli in Rajasthan. long colorful striped skirts, Baku in Sikkim and Assam. Then looking at the different popular dresses of men, the first is kurta pajama is quite popular. Dhoti, kurta are worn in rural areas. Angarakha, paijama, turban in Rajasthan. Churidar, paijama, jacket in Gujarat. Lungi, kurta, turban in Punjab. Dhoti wear in Tamil Nadu. In Tamil Nadu, the name for dhoti is Veshti, and in Kerala, Mundu. Dhoti kurta in Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal, but wearing style differs in Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal. Then seasonal. During winter, when it is cold, people generally prefer woolens. In hilly areas, it is extremely cold temperature, and so people use shawls, overcoats, caps, etc. Kashmiri people wear firan, a long thick overcoat. On special occasion, people prefer fancy clothing. So in this way, we will study about all the foods and clothes in Indian states. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you so much.